Angie Cody with eXp Realty. Today I'm going to answer a question that I get asked quite frequently. And that is, how in the world do I get started in real estate when I have very little money? So I've been asked this quite a bit, and so I just thought I'd share some tips that I tell newer agents, and I also tell my coaching clients the same thing, is to get out and do open houses. Yes, open houses work. They're very effective. And I'm going to give you some tips on how to have a successful open house and how to generate some leads. So first of all, you're going to pick a house that excites you. What I mean by excites you, maybe it's a part of town that you're really passionate about, or maybe it's the part of town where you live. Maybe it's a house in a certain price point that's really hot in your market where you know that you're going to get some traffic. So you want to start promoting the open house 3 to 4 days in advance. We don't just want to put a sign in the yard on Sunday right before the open house. So we want to make sure that we're promoting the open house in plenty of time. One of the ways that you can start promoting your open house 3 to 4 days in advance is put your signs out. Yes, put your signs out. What I suggest is to get 2 different types of open house signs. One could be branded, that obviously has your company logo, times, that sort of thing. And then another open house sign, several open house signs, could be just those little generic black. Actually, they're red and white. You can buy them at like Home Depot, Walmart. They're the little like rectangular ones where you just put the hours in like with a Sharpie or something like that. So you'll want to get about 10 to 15 or even 20 open house signs up. You want to put them on every corner leading to that house. And the reason why I suggest doing 2 different types of signs is the general public is going to think that there is 2 open houses down that street, and they're more than likely going to want to go to your open house because they think that there's more than one. So they're like, well, there's more bang for my buck if we drive down that road. Okay, so we're also going to utilize social media. Yes, we want to do maybe some inexpensive advertising on Facebook, Instagram. Also, Craigslist is a free source that you could advertise. We also want to do a little door knocking. Go door knock, have a flyer with some information, and invite your neighbors. So you just never know who your neighbors know. You also are going to want to have a sign-in sheet the day of the open house. Why do we want a sign-in sheet? Because we want to capture people's information because we're trying to get buyer leads as well. And you can also just use your iPad. There's some open house free apps that you can do as well. So those are just a few tips on how you can run a successful open house on very little money that's going to help create some buyer leads and possibly some seller leads. So if you would like to get some more tips on how to build a successful real estate business, I would love to have you come to one of our upcoming business planning sessions, or you can schedule a one-on-one strategy session with me. All of my contact information is below, and I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.